Hello dear student, good morning to all of you, those who are watching the video. And today in this video, we will discuss how to do addition and subtraction in time. So now please open page number 169 and see the first question add. Okay, here three columns are given: weeks, days, hours. The first line is 3 weeks, 4 days, 8 hours. 3 weeks, 4 days, 8 hours. Five weeks, 6 days and 9 hours. 7 weeks, 5 days and 12 hours, plus 4 weeks, 3 days, 10 hours. Dear student, first we have to add hours column. Okay, you have to add 8, 9, 12 and 10. If you add 8, 9, 12 and 10, this will be 9 and 17 and 2, 9. 1 carry, 1, 1, 2 and 1, 3. 39 hours. But still then here we have to not write 39 hours. Okay? Why? Because this 39 hours can be converted into days. You know that 20 hours make 1 day. Okay? So 39 hours can be converted into day and hours. So remember we have to write here, and quotient will come in day, and we have to add day in days column. So this you can use the rough one. This will be 39 hours. So this can be converted into day. Okay, by dividing 24, because 24 hours make 1 day. So divide 1 time. This answer will be in day and remainder will come in hours. So here we have to add only 15 hours. And 1 day we have to add in days column. Now we have to add days. 4 and 1, 5 and 6. 11 and 5, 16. 16 and 3, 19. So 19 days. But you know already that 7 days can be converted into weeks. Here there are 19 days, it will convert into weeks and days. So days you know how to convert into weeks, since there are 19 days. So this can be converted into weeks by dividing 7. So 7 to the, so answer will be 2 weeks and 5 days. 5 days. So days we have to write in here. That is 5 days. We have to write day column, and 2 weeks we have to add in weeks column. Now add all the weeks. 3 and 2, 5, 5, 10, 17, 17 and 4, 21. So answer is 21 weeks, 5 days and 15 hours. I hope it is clear. Now, second one you can do just like first one. Okay. So second do by yourself. Now come on third one. Yes, children. Now come on third. Third, here 3 columns are given: hours, minute and seconds. 8 hours 27 minutes and 36 seconds. 2 hours 15 minutes and 27 seconds. Last one 3 hours 45 minutes 15 seconds. Same to add. So first we have to add seconds count. So now add 6 and 7 13, 13 and 5 15, 8 1 carry, 5 and 6 and 3 9, 9 to 11, 11 and 1 12. 128 seconds. But children, you know, 60 seconds can be converted into minute. 60 seconds are equal to 1 minute. So 128 seconds can be converted into minute and second. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. 120 seconds make 2 minutes. So in 128 seconds there are 2 minutes. And 8 seconds will be remainder. If you divide this number by 60, then it will. You know already. So here we have to write 8 seconds and we have to write 2 minutes in minutes column. Now adding 7 and 2, 9. 9 and 10, 19, 1 carry. 3 and 1, 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7 and 4, 11. 119 minutes. And since it is more than 60, 119 minutes more than 60 minutes, it will convert into hours by dividing 60, because there are 60 minutes, that is in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, that is 60 minutes make 1 hour. So this can be converted into hour. 119 minutes can be converted into hour by dividing 60. One time, so 1 hour, 60 minus 60, 9, 11 minus 6 is 5. So here we have to write only 59 minutes, and we have to add 1 hour in hours column. So 9, 1, 10, 10, 10, 20, and 3, 23. So final answer is children 23 hours. 59 minutes and 8 seconds. Okay, and similarly you can complete question number 4. Dear student, these questions I did not send in PDF, so you can solve by watching the video. Now come on page number 170. Subtract. How to subtract? Yes, children. Subtract. First one, weeks, days, hours. 7 weeks, 3 days, 15 hours. You want to subtract 2 weeks, 5 days, 19 hours. So just subtract like whole number, not like whole number. Be careful. See, you can't subtract 19 from 15. Okay? So you want to borrow from here days column. Okay, this is not simple subtraction. So here conversion will be asked. You want to take from days column and you want to bring it in hours column. So first you have to convert days into hours. That is, if you take borrow from days in hours, then this number 15 will be increased by 24, not by 1. Okay. So this number become 15 more than 24. So this become 39. See 24. One take borrow from days column. So one day there are 24 hours. So 24 hours will be here and 15 already here. So there are 39 hours. So total 39 hours in the place of 15. Now subtract 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. And here 2 is remaining. And then again you can't subtract 5 from 2. So take borrow from weeks column. Weeks will be converted to days. You know that there are 7 days in 1 week. So this number increased by 7. So 7 plus 2, this become 9. So in the place of 3, we have to write 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. Then here 6 is remaining. 6 minus 2 is 4. So answer is 4 weeks, 4 days, 4 weeks, 4 days and 20 hours. So I hope all of understood. Now come on here, third one, second do by yourself. Now come on third. Third is simple. Third one weeks and days, 2 columns only given. 8 weeks, 3 days, minus 5 weeks, 6 days. You should take borrow from weeks column. So this increased by 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So in the place of 3 we have to write 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, so days will be 4. Here 7 remaining. 7 minus 5 is 2. So answer is 2 weeks and 4 days. So I hope it is clear. And here problem solving I will discuss the next video. Okay. So thank you for watching.